everybody, it's me, your good friend Satan. I just came back from vacation. While on vacation, I never saw what you call a temper tantrum. Wow, that was a mouthful. Yes, I am dead serious. I went to Jamaica on vacation. And when I was on vacation, I went into a store. And when I went into that store, I saw a little pygmy. He wanted a toy. So his mother said no. And you know what the kid did? He sat down and he said, okay, mommy, maybe next time. Can you believe that? I don't believe it. I do not believe it. No temper tantrum. That does not happen in the U.S. What happens in the U.S. is this.
Mommy, I want that time, Mommy. Give me that time, Mommy. Mommy, I want that time.
So, I went to a Jamaican, right? And this is what the Jamaican told me.
Okay, when I was growing up as a little boy, it wasn't a matter of if I was going to get hit. The question is what I was going to get licked with. Them talk about don't spare the rod and spoil the child. Little picnic must be seen and not heard. I see those little picnics on YouTube. You think I'm an idiot? I watch them on YouTube all the time. Look here, Satan, I have something to show you. You see this? This is what you call a belt. When applied directly to the middle of the palm, in a motion like that, right, it strikes fear in the child. The sound that can be made is like this. That means your picnic is about to get hit. Now watch this. Watch this demonstration, and I'm only going to show you once how to beat the picnic.
No, Daddy, I want this tie. I want this tie. I'm not leaving the store until you give me this tie.
What do you mean you want the tie? I can't afford it right now. I would rather give the picnic lick right now than him go school and bring gun to school and all of a sudden I get locked up because I can't discipline my picnic. I'm going to show you some other stuff you can use. You see this right here? This is what you call a clothes hanger. If used in the middle of the palm as well, it works just fine. Now, here's where you might get into a little bit of trouble. It's a stick, seen on many occasions on my show, right? If you apply it directly to the back of the leg, round by where the backside is, you know, just right down in this general area, not much bruising will be seen.
That's what the guy told me. Apparently, they're not disciplining their kids. Yes, I hit the nail right on the head. That's why I went on vacation. I didn't go on vacation because you didn't need me. No, you had the internet, you had TV and a couple politicians, but I'm not going to call any names. Yes, you don't need me. You don't need Satan anymore. My feelings are hurt. You hurt my feelings because you don't need me anymore. If you want your son to grow up with 5 earrings in one ear, 3 nose ring in him nose, about 5 tongue and 1 down there. As a matter of fact, I saw some pictures on the internet and it's more than one. You think you're a king, you're only a prince. Don't believe me or take my word for it. Take Zebra's word for it. Zebra!
You, oh God, my youth.
Tell these people out there what them should do with the pygmy.
You must give picnic them 2 rascal lick. Yeah, you hear me? Girl, you picnic them 2 rascal lick. And you have, and if you're a little picnic and you watch my program right now, you need to lick too.
Thank you, Zebra. I also brought a friend on the show. He's an elephant. Man. Elephant. What do you have to say to all these people out there that don't beat the picnic?
Simple. Yo, if you don't give a picnic to a rascal lick, the man are gonna grow up to be a mad white Jamaican. Yo, Zebra, when you gonna do a next show? Yo, me can't do no more show. Yeah, man, me not understand how if you do them thing there, you know. Them thing that are right. If you beat your picnic, you know, if you touch a little picnic them.
So anyways, guys, need your help.
Yo, me not gonna help you. You're evil youth. Sizzle, yeah, must stamp out the evil now you. You're evil man. Yeah, you're evil.
What are you talking about? I'm not evil, I'm your friend. Oh, and all those little picnics that's sitting down there watching me on the internet right now. And when I know say them father go and give them 2 lick if them ever find out. Shh. I know your father. If they're Jamaican, chances are I know them. Jamaica is a very small world, you know. I know your mommy, and I know your daddy. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Who's your mommy? Let me tell you something. Right? If you don't discipline your kids...
Yo, turn up my microphone. Yo, there's no snaring on my headphones. Never. There is snaring on my head. Get it. Alright, you ready for this? Satan is a sly old fox. If I could catch him and put him in a box, lock the box and throw away the key for all those tricks he's played on me. Satan is a sly old fox. If I could catch him and put him in a box, lock the box and throw away the key for all those tricks he's played on me.